Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Android phone's screen suddenly looks like a film negative with inverted colors, it is almost always caused by an accidental toggle within the accessibility settings or developer options. I will show you exactly how to revert your screen back to normal right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason for your screen looking like a negative is a specific accessibility feature designed for visual impairments. Open your Android phone's main settings application and tap the search icon or search bar at the very top of your screen. To jump directly to the correct hidden menu, carefully type the exact phrase "color inversion" directly into the search field. Tap on the matching result to open your display accessibility settings. You will see a toggle switch explicitly labeled "color inversion." Turn this switch completely off and your screen will instantly flash back to its standard vibrant color palette. Next, if your colors keep randomly inverting while your phone is in your pocket, you likely have the inversion shortcut sitting in your drop-down menu where it gets accidentally tapped. Swipe down twice from the very top of your home screen to fully expand your quick settings panel. Swipe left or right through your active tiles to look for one labeled Invert Colors. If you see it, tap it once to disable the effect. Then tap the small pencil icon to edit the panel. Tap and hold the Invert Colors tile and drag it down into the hidden section so you never accidentally activate it again. Finally, if the screen colors still look completely wrong, artificially tinted, or strictly black and white, a hidden developer setting might be forcing a custom color layer. Open your main settings app, tap the search bar at the top, and carefully type the exact term "simulate color space" to instantly locate the proper menu. Tap on the exact match from the results to enter your developer options menu. You will see the simulate color space setting flash briefly to highlight it. Tap on it and ensure the pop-up menu is strictly set to disabled. If it was accidentally set to monochromacy or a color blindness mode, switching it back to disabled will immediately restore your normal Android interface. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.